All right, let's wind it up then and talk about today's trading session and how things fared. Well, choppy is definitely the name of the game as we flitted between the green and the red. From that 12,000 mark we came off, and finally after all the give and take we settled at 11,933. So that's up 1/3%. You've got the Sensex holding out by 140 points at 40,686 thereabouts. The broader markets absolutely flat, so in the red for the small caps, the mid caps holding out in the green. Real estate today taking charge, PSE, the metals, and not to mention the Nifty bank lending quite a helping hand, while FMCG, IT as well as the MNC basket, that's looking a little bit subdued in trade today. Power grid, the top Nifty gainer, Airtel not too far behind, Tata Steel, names like Hindalco, BPCL, GAIL as well as Axis Bank and Grasim, along with HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank are in the green. On the flip side though, Britannia loses out by about 4%, TCS, Nestle, RIL, HDFC Life, Wipro, they've been some of the other casualties. The broader markets, as I said, have been quite lackluster today. We've had a number of result reactions. Ultratech Cement, a fairly healthy set of numbers. Profits at 1235 crores, way surpassing our street expectations with margins at a healthy 26%. Bajaj Finance as well came out with its numbers, a 965 crore rupee PAT, a little bit sub our expectations. The AUM growth has been at about 1% for the quarter gone by. Meantime, we also had a word with we also spoke with Aditya Puri talking about the road ahead for HDFC Bank as well as some of the key milestones. You have something like Colgate as well that's been in focus, at 274 crore rupee PAT performance. Other than that, Eicher Motors, as we said, there's been that fire incident that occurred at the company's Jaipur unit, so that too has been a stock that was in news. Some of the other candidates that have been in focus include Hindustan Zinc on the back of numbers, L&T Infotech. You had some result reactions from brokerages coming in on HUL, but by and large they've been fairly positive. From the broader universe then, just going to identify some of the buzzers in today's trading session. And a whole host of names: Sobha, Godrej Properties, clear leadership within the real estate basket. Apollo Tyres, 7%. IBREL, Colte Patel, Magma FinCorp, as well as Century Ply, L&T Info, ABF, Aditya Birla Fashion active. While on the flip side, Just Dial loses out, Strides in the red, Barmer Lorry, something like Hindustan Copper, as well as Prestige Estates and L&T Tech. Come tomorrow, Asian Paints will be coming out with its numbers, and that is going to closely be eyed along with Bajaj Auto.